And also, I want to emphasize the student program. Why the student programs are so important? Ellen White writings presents three advantages for the students. First of all, being a student canvasser is a missionary experience. Many of our young people, they love to be involved in missionary activities. So joining a group of students is an opportunity to exert your missionary passion, meet people, witness to them, pray with them. What a thrilling experience. The second benefit of the student program is the canvassing work is like a school, a practical school, where many of us we can learn lessons that we would not be possible to learn in the school. And Elwat says that we will develop many talents canvassing, like courtesy, like kindness, like persuasion, how to influence people, how to uh, influence them to make a decision, how to manage objections, and so on. It's a thrilling experience, thrilling opportunity to learn lessons. And we have 20,000 young people around the world joining the student program, but many more could join. There are many young Adventists, at least half of the church. We are 20 million Adventists around the world, and I believe that half of it is young people. They are young people, and they could be joined, could join the student program uh, anytime. Uh, I would like to show you the students from Moldova, from Montenegro in Europe. And by the way, in Montenegro, I just received a picture of a literature evangelist selling at the beach. Many tourists they come to Montenegro, and there is a program where student canvassers they go to the beach to sell books to these tourists. And from this experience, we have heard that some of them were converted and became Adventists. So in Japan, the student program is growing because young people in Japan they found out the opportunity to test to witness door to door. And in Japan, it's very hard. I had the opportunity to visit Japan last year and canvas with our young people door to door. And most of the Japanese, they just open for quite a few centimeters the door, and they put their nose, their eyes into what you want. And these young people, they just say a brief sale talk, but God help them, and they are distributing many books, praying with people, helping them. And if you could see their faces, they are excited by doing that. Even in China, we have lots of students from our church. They are young people. We don't have a school in China. We don't have any regular institution or official institution in China, but we are more than 500,000 Adventists in China and 500 literature evangelists, and many of them are young people, and they join the literature distribution during their vacation time, during their summertime, and also in the Middle East. And I had the privilege to visit the Middle East in September last year, 1 year ago, and I met some of them working in Beirut and another group working in Cairo, Egypt. And they work in a very challenging territory because, these two countries, they are not primarily Christian countries, but these students they gladly sell health books, and they also sell family education books, and people receive them and they are able to experience the passion of missionary work, and this is amazing as well.